Wagwan people. Today is Shelly's birthday, so I'll give you a little peek into what we're going with the birthday girl today. See? I carry up on the road. I can't do the surprise thing. I don't know how to surprise her. So everything that happen today, she know already what we're going. See? So we kick it off. Right, yes. Alright, people, who want to see the birthday girl naked?
Oh my god, no!
You want to see the birthday girl naked? Share shower, go up on the road.
Like, seriously?
What do you think?
No!
Put some here, sir?
No.
No?
No.
Round here, sir?
No.
Alright, so people, now I'm going to show you what she can wear. Spread out on the bed inside, so tell me if it look like it birthday worthy. So at the boot that I want pretty pants something with a orange top. I wanna say you look birthday ready. Now a minute and I'll get to see her night. I'll take my ugly foot out of there. Yeah. Birthday girl outfit. I'm not gonna show you my outfit because, you know, I go simpleton. Alright, people, I'm gonna show you how women stay, right? I'm showing you the suit what she wear, what she put out on the bed. And me think the suit look really nice, you know? But she just decides that she not bother wear that suit there. She wear something else. But when you decide, well, she wear the shoes. But this is what she have on now, people.
Tell me, talk truth.
I like it. Anything she put on to them would I love still. But this is nice.
Thank you.
Alright, so next stop, Helsha. Let me tell you now.
I'm a simple person. And even know the spot that I like. So Helsha happens to be one of my favorite spots. In the fried fish and weird things. Nature.
And I soon see the link up. Taking the queen to lunch. Having a quiet day today, you know? We did the pre-birthday thing already on the 25th. Today I'm man our day.
Yes.
Yeah, so my day today. Even though a fair day, but I'm my day too. Oh. lunch date. And this is the second round of makeup now.
No, it's just touch up. It's not.
Or is that the second round?
No, but it's a touch up.
Alright.
Second round, if a second round, you have to wipe off and go again.
Oh, so she just a touch up for the next date.
People, be reminded, I am going on a blind date. I don't know, I'm just following. Alright? Me don't hear nothing.
Which one?
That, the 9, the one.
The 10?
I'm not saying a 9.
The 9?
It's a 9.
So you not hear nothing from it now?
No, me hear. But me say if you notice sometime when you call, I'm not hearing.
When it ring?
No, if my answer it, I'm not hearing anything. Like if you would then I say hello, hello, hello.
So my people, this is the second half of the date. First lady. This is the second suit of the evening. Yeah.
Pretty simple, don't it?
Lady banging, you know, man. Yeah, comedy night. Johnny's place over there. People, woman look hot, no true. Come out to your phone, look, no? Jesus.
I said,
And I've learned to love BJKB too. Alright. And I could be all that you need.
oh Lord. What?
Seriously. There's one thing that stood out, but even though we never like her, this one thing stood out. Play the Shani song, please. We don't get it so. Who put us on there? We start singing her. Then we sang her when we get in. This is how I'm going to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday.
So, birthday lady, how did you spend your day?
Amazing. It was quiet, but it was fun. I think I'm the person that really know. I mean, when you're getting older, the jump up thing and party thing sometimes not really, mean nothing as much as when you really have a day well spent with your partner or even friends, But it was an amazing day. Thank you everybody who sent me birthday wishes. Thank you, my husband. I had an amazing time. I had an amazing night. People, I get the surprise. I'm like, look here, 3 days ago, when anybody called me, I couldn't hear nothing because the speaker started go. I keep on saying to me, go buy myself a phone. And my husband always beat me to it. Look what I got.
And what kind of phone is that?
This is a Samsung 23. People, yeah. So nobody can talk to me now who have iPhone, cause picture perfect. You can't talk to me. Me and my Samsung 23. We start post some picture and take some video. Watch me, I don't know. But people, thank you so much. My social media people, thank you so much for all the love and the blessings. I do appreciate it. But the night not done. The party on the can't go see though. It is exclusive. Bye.